Thank you, Professor Yamashiki. Thank you, Dr. Naito. I'm Sarantuyaa Zandaryaa from UNESCO Division of Water Sciences, and I'm here with my colleague, Mr. Ignacio de Regibus. Here, we are from the UNESCO Division of Water Sciences in Paris, and we came here for this symposium. Well, good morning again, ladies and gentlemen, dear participants of the symposium, distinguished experts from different parts of the world. It is my pleasure to welcome you to this day of this symposium on behalf of UNESCO. This meeting is very important for UNESCO, and we are very happy to be here in Kyoto and also to have this symposium to talk about water quality issues on the shore of this beautiful lake, Biwa of Japan, which also is an important source of water for Japanese people. And first of all, I would like to thank you for your availability to contribute to this important meeting, coming from different parts of the world, making long journeys all the way to Kyoto, and also some of them having traveled over 20 hours. First of all, I also would like to introduce you about our program, the UNESCO Division of Water Sciences. This symposium, as you may know, is organized under the UNESCO International Initiative on Water Quality. Some of you may be new to UNESCO and may be asking why UNESCO is focusing on this very specific issue of water quality. This symposium is important for UNESCO not only to promote sciences, but also in terms of the UNESCO's contribution to address global water challenges for the sustainable development in the post-2015 framework. As you know, the world community is going to enter a new era of sustainable development after 2015, when the United Nations will adopt the new sustainable development goals in September this year. So this symposium is an important contribution to the post-2015 sustainable development of countries. Well, UNESCO, water issues are very important for UNESCO because UNESCO has a long-standing history of promoting water sciences through different water programs. We, in the Division of Water Sciences, host the International Hydrological Program. Some of you are very familiar with the International Hydrological Program, shortly IHP. While for those who are new to IHP, I would like to tell you that IHP is the only intergovernmental scientific program within the UN system dedicated to promoting water sciences. It was established in 1975 after the International Hydrological Decade. This year we are celebrating the 40th anniversary of IHP and 50th anniversary of the International Hydrological Decade. So this means that this shows that UNESCO has almost half-century history of promoting water sciences and helping and supporting countries to address their water problems through promoting scientific knowledge and dissemination. IHP is an interdisciplinary program dealing with all the different aspects of water management, and water quality is one of the important aspects of IHP programs, and IHP is implemented in phases. Currently, we are implementing the 8th phase of IHP, and in the 8th phase of IHP, water quality is one of the key 6 thematic areas. So this symposium is organized as part of the implementation of the IHP 8 theme 3 on water quality, addressing water quality and scarcity. All IHP activities dealing with water quality issues are implemented under the International Initiative on Water Quality, which was established by the resolution of the 20th session of the Intergovernmental Council of our program. Our program is an intergovernmental program, so we have an Intergovernmental Council. Well, UNESCO water programs are not only represented through the Secretariat of IHP, who we are, but also IHP is present in almost every country of the world through our IHP national committees. It's a pleasure to inform you that we have here some of the representatives of IHP national committees. I have the pleasure to introduce Mr. Professor Kaoru Takara, who is the chairperson of Japanese IHP National Committee. We also have here Professor Ian White, chairman of the IHP National Committee of Australia, is also vice chair for Asia and Pacific of our Intergovernmental Council. We also have here Mr. Emmanuel Lawang from IHB National Committee of Benin in Africa. So we have 3 representatives of our IHB national committees. So these are the main pillars of implementation of IHB activities on the ground in the countries. UNESCO also has over 30 water centers around the world, and I also have the pleasure to have with us today one of the newly established center in Egypt on water quality, Mr. Dr. Jahin, over here. So UNESCO is really big. It's present in every country. It's not only UNESCO staff in Paris, but UNESCO is also present among us in every country. So also, in addition to water centers, we have water chairs in almost every country of the world, and these chairs also promote the water sciences and the research and knowledge dissemination to help countries to address their water problems. So with no further ado, I would like to invite you to have a fruitful discussion over the next today and also over the next 2 days. And here you are to contribute to UNESCO, also to share your knowledge and experience and expertise with UNESCO, and making your knowledge available to the world through UNESCO to help address global water challenges. Thank you.